Hi and good morning. Today is Black Saturday um, and we must pray always and we must reflect on our actions and we must reflect on our life. And oh and today and we must be safe always. And by the way, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Shout out to my family and shout out to my subscribers. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.